Hey guys, so today I need to winterize my bike. Unfortunately it's really cold in Illinois, and of course it's January 2nd right now, so I got a couple months until I can actually ride it. So I already bought a whole bunch of stuff for the spring. So I'm going to show you how to install the Woodcraft frame sliders, axle sliders, both front and rear. I have swing arm spools too. I got the front and rear axle sliders. Got the swing arm spools, obviously the frame sliders. Alright, the first thing we're going to do today is I'm going to put on swing arm spools so I can lift up the bike in order to do the frame sliders or axle sliders. What you're going to want for this is 4mm hex key and then Threadlock, because I do not plan on ever taking these off, so I want it to be able to hold the bike. Okay, so what we're going to want to do is first put Threadlock on the threads. Okay, and you're all done. Okay, onto the front axle sliders. So we have the axle slider here. You have the rod, you have the puck, the other side of the puck, and then a pin for this puck. So, okay, you're going to want a 19mm socket, and then obviously the torque wrench. Based on line, it's about 8 to 12 foot-pounds. So that's what we're going to do. Alright, so for this, we do require also Threadlock blue. So what we're going to do is just insert it, crank it down using this side with the torque wrench, 8 to 12 foot-pounds, and then we'll see how that goes. Okay, now the pucks can go back on. This one goes this way. Just slides in there. Nice and easy. There's a little hole underneath the actual hole, and the end of the pin needs to go. So that side, the end of the pin needs to go through it. So I hit that one on. So now this goes through here, and then just clicks in. Nice and tight. Okay, onto the rear. Okay, and that's everything. Got the pucks there, swing arm, puck, swing arm. We got the pucks in the front.